Montessori Method of Education. Early childhood is the most important time for human development. It is when children learn coordination and mental skills needed to become future professionals. The Montessori method is a well-respected pedagogy for early childhood education. The first hypothesis: play is an important part of education that the Montessori system lacks. Montessori children primarily engage in individual activities throughout the day. Does play exist in the Montessori method? Yes, play exists. Montessori and non-Montessori preschoolers have similar play and learning. The Montessori method believes in structured play, where children can engage in activities that teach. The second hypothesis: dramatic or imaginative play is missing in Montessori classrooms, unlike non-Montessori classrooms. 5. Does pretend play exist in the Montessori method? Pretend play is not necessarily part of a Montessori classroom. The Montessori method puts more emphasis on real-life activities, which can raise an independent and confident child. The third hypothesis: Montessori classrooms offer more guided play and pre-academic activities, like pre-reading, writing, and numbering, compared to non-Montessori classrooms. They also use more manipulative learning materials. Do Montessori classrooms offer more guided play? Yes, Montessori offers a form of guided play, but guidance is less defined and direct. They are nudged to learn by themselves using self-didactic material under the teacher's observation, who guides them rather than instructs them as required.